Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. So today will gonna be an excited video for all of you as we went to Singapore Zoo last Sunday and we spent some memorable time there. Hope you like it. So this clip has been shoot before a day. We were processing for online tickets. There are many sites available. You can compare the price and then book the tickets. We got from Carousel and it cost around 28 Sing dollar per adult and 22 Sing dollar per kid. We booked the tickets for myself and Eliza only as Afia and her father not interested to go and visit zoo. Here off we go for Singapore Zoo. We booked a Grab car and that's our pickup and drop off area. May you have been seen it before in Jurong Bird Park video. Some chit chat conversation going on during ride. Uncle who was driving the car was saying it is very hot day in Singapore today, so why you choose afternoon time? I said morning slot was fully booked, uncle, so we have to book for this time only. Anyways, it took around 20 minutes to reach our destination. Due to some construction work going on in outer part of zoo area, so they temporarily changed passenger pickup and drop off area, and it's quite far from zoo. We have to go by walk only for our final destination. And here we finally arrived to Singapore Zoo and it's looking beautiful from outside, and we need to do security check-in before get inside and need to show our tickets to security guard as well. So we entered in the zoo and Eliza wanted to go first Treetops Trail, so we went there. Singapore Zoo, formerly known as Singapore Zoological Garden or Mandai Zoo, it occupies 28 hectares area. It is operated by Mandai Wildlife Reserve, who also manage the Night Safari, River Wonder and Jurong Bird Park. These cute little kids otter following Mama Otter. These are largest tree-dwelling mammals called orangutan. They do not have a tail like monkeys and usually found in the rainforest area. They have special feet with long toes for grasping branches and long limbs that can stretch out far so that they can move easily through the treetops. It's really fun to see them. We had been walking around 20 minutes to cover Treetops Trail area and reached at Center Point, where we have seen tram station and Ameng restaurant. There was Inoka Cafe also. Beside there was animal presentation ground where at different times animal shows happen. We bought the ticket for trams and got on the tram. And here a beautiful peacock welcoming us, and they were moving freely in the zoo. And our lovely journey has been started. We were a bit tired, so we thought of we had fun sitting on tram only, listening to stories about amazing animals and cover more safari ground in comfort level. It was wonderful experience. So the tickets are 5 Sing dollar per adult and 3 Sing dollar per child. It's a one-time payment and you can hop on or get down in any tram station. For more convenience, there were other rental services also available like stroller, wagon, electric scooter and wheelchair
for
too.
different items.
Prices are This is something interesting story. Couple of days before, me and Eliza browsing animal video clips, so we got to know this Balaji giraffe has been imported from Kerala, India. And we saw whole video clip how he came by ship with all the safety parameters. That time onwards, we planned to visit Singapore Zoo to see Balaji, and now we are watching him lively. These are naked mole rats, lives in burrows and tunnels in grassy regions. They eat underground parts of plants, mostly found in East Africa, Somalia and Kenya. Their lifespan is 10 to 30 years, quite longer than usual rats or rodent. Now after an hour walking in the zoo, we again get into the tram and it was super relaxing. Meanwhile, we have taken ice cream and juices to quench our thirst, and there are a couple of vendors machine available at a short distance. That's a good thing. Otherwise, Singapore weather is quite hot in afternoon especially. Anyways, that's a kids world area and where we can see some sort of swings and other kids activities going on, and this hobby has drawn Eliza's attention and she was forcing me to go as she wanted to join this activity, but I was totally refusing.
She's the granddaughter of the first Ahmed. If you say you're going to the zoo, anyone in Singapore would probably say.
Now here we came to see Australian animals, kangaroos, wallabies. There were grey kangaroos, tree kangaroos too, and many more. These are some special creatures. I don't remember the names, but nicely together they were eating. Lisa is ready to explore the jungle and animals again. Now we came in different section where these redbud monkeys, other kind of monkeys and chimpanzees were kept. It's a huge place for them to move, jump and roam around freely. Here we entered to see aquatic animal and amazed to see this hippo was bouncing walking in water. It's really amazing. That fish looked like gharial, and the name of this fish is false gharial. These are cute Vietnamese turtle, and there were some fishes too. Now we were supposed to see white tigers, and we searched whole ground, but unfortunately we couldn't see it. Maybe his sleeping time. That's look very unusual plant, so I just captured the picture. I don't know the name of this plant. And after long discussion, Eliza convinced me to go for this hobby activity. However, we missed animal show for this activity, but that's good, she enjoyed. We need to buy tickets on spot for this activity, and it's $20 for per kit. So finally Eliza did what she wanted, and I'm happy to see her, although it was a bit tiring activity and her hands turned really red in color, but overall she enjoyed this activity. And it's 5:30 in evening, zoo is about to close and it's time to go back home now. And while going back home, we have seen a zoo shop where many attractive things were there. So on that note, ending this video now. Hope you enjoyed with us. We are very happy to share with you all. Do like, share and comment if you like my videos, and who are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Will be see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.